Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on screen keyboard, how to turn it on and how to turn it off. Let's start. Now there are two ways you can do it. You can use the keyboard shortcut or you can use the settings. Let's start with keyboard shortcut. For this keyboard shortcut, press the Windows key plus the Control key plus the O key to on it. So let's start Windows, Control and O. So Windows, Control and O. And that's it. Just opened up the on-screen keyboard. You can see on-screen keyboard. Now you can also turn it off by pressing the Windows key, Control key and the O key again. So the Windows, Control and the O key again, and it's off. So you can also use the settings to get to it by pressing the Windows key plus the I key, and then you can see ease of access. Click on it and you see, is it ease of access? Yes, you see keyboard, then turn on use the on-screen keyboard and it comes on. It's as simple as that. You can also do the settings for this keyboard right here. So go through this and do the settings. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. So that's it. Oh, another thing you can do, very simple thing you can do, is add it to your text bar down here. I did that, you can see, and then you click on it and it appears. It's as simple as that. This is the easiest way. See you in the next video. Bye for now.